Surprise who? Now my birthday I've been at my remembrance, so they want yourself.
Baby surprise.
Precious, you know they cheat.
Baby cheat on
you. And Jane, you know they cheat.
Baby no.
I said put that this house.
Baby no cheating.
Put that this house. Hey. Precious, you know surprise me again. Surprise.
What's up, my people on a date? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, I don't get strength to talk too much, I bet, because hangover, they finish me, you understand? So let's just watch this sharp, you feel me? So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
You know that school that you said that I should go to go and learn how to do makeup? I went there and now I became the best in class. So now I want to do makeup on your face so that when daddy was see your face, it's only your face he'll be looking at.
Are you sure?
Yes, now it'll be like Konomi for daddy.
You have to be good at this one. The other things are not good at all.
Don't worry, when I do this one now, you will like your face.
Baby, just pose for me. Yeah. Control for me. Bend your body for me. Baby, just pose for me.
Yeah, fine, eh? You look like Princess Diana.
Are you sure I don't need the mirror?
No, even Kim Kardashian does not use mirror.
Hold up.
Blow your mind.
Blow. How she be? Let's see now.
Give me a chance and let me.
What be this? What be this?
You like what you see?
Can you imagine? Which kind of woman be this one?
Ima, that biscuit where that woman come by last night, you know, put on for our record?
I record them.
Correct. And it be like now let the last bread we'll get for this shop be this. Okay, no problem. I won't go that bakery where they near our shop here. Make I go buy more bread. Look, the shop wait for me. I don't want to anything lost for this shop. You dey hear me so? When you wanna? You dey hear? Look the shop oh. I don't want to anything lost for this shop. You dey hear me so?
Yeah, I don't like this way they happen. I don't like this way they happen. Since last year where I buy goods, now in January, I don't never deliver my goods for me. It don't make sense now. It don't make sense. I beg.
People make me say shock.
I don't want to call this number again. No, man, deliver my goods for me.
Boss, now you dey delay your time. Now you dey delay your time. You know now about Rena Market.
You think the Rena Market?
Rena Market now the #1 secure online platform where you feel buy and sell without getting scammed.
You mean now?
Rena Market is very simple to use and they even offer pay on delivery fast and smooth.
Sharp, this update makes sense. I go give me mineral.
Kasongo, yeah.
You don't see the bread.
Some department for inside my brain.
I don't contact them. They don't accept too.
It is in a play.
Hello? Yes, na me. You there my doorstep? Ima, they don't come, they don't deliver my goods. Don't be child. Thank you. See, take this one.
Who's can't say be this one now? What are the bread where you collect? The bread where you collect, who go pay for them?
I wonder.
Oh yeah, you don't catch me. See, just hold this one first, eh? Make I go collect my goods. If I come back, I go pay you the money too.
Boss, you must spend my money, oh. You must spend my money, oh.
Yeah.
This new year, I never give for anybody. You go pay my money before you go come out for here.
Wait, now make I come back now. I go give you the balance now.
Boss, no.
Color your bread back now.
I will jack you up.
I'm a wicked man. For life, it's sport.
Fine there. How are you? My name is the General. You stay around?
Yeah, I stay around here.
Me too, I live around. We both live close to each other. Can I have your number?
Sorry.
Jesus.
I cannot give you my number, but I can give you my snap.
Snap is cool for bad boys.
Alright.
Bad boys. Add yourself there.
I'm done.
You?
Your bill is 30,000.
Okay.
Sir, should I add her bill to yours?
Jesus.
Can you imagine?
I blame myself for this mess.
Why?
I saw you toasting her, so
Can you imagine?
I thought you wanted to like be a man.
You dey boy your papa well. Come stand up and don't talk am.
For life, it's sport.
It's fine. I can pay my bill.
I think you see her.
Here, I added my bill.
I'll chat you up.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm
sorry, sir.
You need slap.
My card or transfer.
Manager!
Everybody now, they just they found the one chopping.
Can you imagine?
Hey, I see you. Thief, don't let me catch you again. You get locked. Thief.
Yeah. Don't know how that time.
What did I do?
Ojú yàrá ya rẹ̀ fọ́ ni. Ìwọ̀n bá ní ẹ̀pẹ̀ bíi ti rí wa jẹ́jẹ́ mojoko wá ń sọ pa mí hàn. Orí ìyá rẹ̀ ti kú lójú ìyá rẹ̀ lọ fọ́.
Ejo, please, I am begging you in the name of God. You can insult me, but am I insulting Yami?
Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ bọ̀lì ó mọ̀ pọ́n tutọ́ sí mi lára.
Èmi? What do you do? What do you do? Benny.
Fanu tí ó ìwúwọ́.
This man where we get, where?
You are good. Mama. Jesus. Mama, Ejo.
Kékeré lórí mi o. Ó tọwọ́.
This man, she wicked. She's a video witch.
Jesus.
I saw you die.
Solo.
Kasongo, yeah.
You got a new haircut.
Kasongo, mbona wewe. Songa libala.
You the run still the show yourself.
Hi. I'm South Africa. I forgot that you are Nigerian. Welcome to South Africa.
Thank you. I love South Africa. You promised to come and you came.
Yes, I came.
Yeah, come inside.
I'm not telling you say I'm holy before. I'm not a holy man. So if you find person who say holy, you want to give your holy quote, go and preach to your family members.
You are welcome to my apartment.
How's South Africa treating you?
South Africa is nice. I'm just managing.
Have you been outside?
No, I've not gone outside, but I will go soon.
Oh, you should go. Like, there's many places that we should try out. There's Hartis if you wanna do boat cruise. There's Emperor's Palace if you wanna like gamble or something. We have casino there. 10 to go and eat. You know, there are many places.
No problem. I will try it later.
Can I please charge my phone? Like it's flat.
Oh, okay. Just bring your charger. Let me help you plug it in.
I feel very depressed. I don't know if you hear me with doggy.
What is this?
Go ahead.
Yes, I can see. I'm just asking, what are they using this for?
Football.
Football. Yeah, I don't know how to play football.
That's fine. I'll teach you.
You teach me.
Please, can you tell me what you want from me? Can you tell me? Because I don't understand you. Do you want to sleep with me?
You want to do that too. You want to do that. Hunger. Go out.
Have I met you before? No, this is my first time.
Paparazzi. Everyone in the job, only I'm not carry food come.
Don't hear me.
Why I gotta beg like that?
I gotta beg anyhow.
Bro, what's the name of that app where you talk to that class?
Oh, Pinocence. Now, app where you get all your social media account now. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all for free. Yes, now. See, if you use Android, you go Google Play Store, you search for Pinocence. But if not iPhone, you search for your Safari.
Android, we
search Pinocence.
Okay,
that's where you get all your social media accounts for free.
One of your classmates takes you like nobody can give you food.
Please shout, they disturb me. You, write down the name of noise maker for me. If I say no my day for this list, I will not say I dey craze.
Everybody name go enter.
So I give you food.
Everybody name go enter. Oh yeah, your name go enter.
Make a razor.
You don't give a food. Oh yeah, right in there. Bundle by bundle.
We are in business. We are in business now.
My God, you want to take play? You know if you take God play. God surrounds me like a sheep.
Hey, one bit over low.
Jesus. No be gadus with this.
Gadus.
You are so sexy and you are so stupid. I swear to God, who made me? John to the say style aṣọ tí mo sọ fún pé kó bá rán lélẹ̀.
Ṣé dọ́kì lẹ wá fẹ́ ni?
Missionary ni. Mo rò body rẹ ti dàrú. Mo fún ẹ ní style kó bá rán aṣọ. Ó wá sọ daddy di mami. Ó sọ mí de lẹ́yà láàrin àdúgbò. Wọ́n wá ń lùlù tẹ̀lé mi. Ó tẹ̀ tó aṣọ òfò bó ṣe náà tó fún náà. Ó fi zip sí. Aṣọ yẹn ò ṣe é bọ́. Mo tán blade kò ya. Ó sọ kí gbẹ́fà sọ gbà tó rán tán. Àtìgbà tó ti rán aṣọ ẹ̀ fún mi ò lè mímọ́ kán fún mi lọ́rùn pé. Lẹ́yìn pé mo fẹ́ pokùnso. Mo wá lọ ra oxygen 11,000 per hour. Mo wá ná gbogbo life savings mi sórí atẹ́gùn ní tí mo ń gbà lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀. Tọ́lá ò dẹ̀ complain tí mi ò complain. Ọlọ́fẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ ni ṣé gbogbo aṣọ tí mo gbé fún ọ lọ́rẹ́.
Gbogbo aṣọ tẹ gbé fún mi lélẹ̀ mi lè purọ́.
Jíṣẹ́ wábí. Àtúnyẹ̀nì. Ṣé aṣọ mi náà lélẹ̀ abẹ́ ṣe photocopy ẹ̀gbà tẹ́rẹ́?
Pieces kékeré tó kù òun ni mo fi bá rán.
Ló tún wá yọ gèlè. Ló dẹ̀ rẹ̀ jára bí àfẹ́ tó jẹ́ 6 feet. Jọ́ kọ yín náà.
Má bàbọ̀.
Tiẹ̀ tó free díẹ̀, pieces díẹ̀ free. Èmi tí mo gbà sọ wá fún. Sọ́lá fẹ́ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni gbẹ́gbẹ́ra lẹ́ jàre nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe ni ó ṣe. Àbúrò mi wọlé lọ jàre.
Bó ṣe ń wọlé lọ yẹn wà á di tá ń wọlé ni o. Ọkọ tó fọ́ lójú méjì ọ̀pọ̀ yọ fírèmù ẹ̀gbọ́n yín kò lára òkiri. Ó ti kú òun mọ̀lẹ́bí yín lé.
Wàhálà ìyàwó sójà ló ní màsí tó bàjẹ́ yìí. Màsí tèmi rèé.
Mo máa fa wàhálà bí lẹ́nu.
Mo dáràn. Màsí ti bàjẹ́.
Ẹ báwo lẹ́yìn náà ṣe wá ṣe tí machine fi ń bàjẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín?
Àṣẹ ìpọ́n record.
Mo ti cut. Àṣẹ́ndì ẹ̀sẹ̀ tó ní màá subtitle ẹ̀. Wọ́n rò bóyá olùbàjẹ́ ni tí ẹ máa bàjẹ́ lé ní. Oxygen. Ẹlẹ́kẹ̀rẹ́ o. Hello.
Hey guys, get ready with me for a date with my talking stage. It did not say where we are going, so I'm keeping it simple and classic, guys.
Goodness.
Time to go. Wish me good luck.
Oh my God, you look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, go sit down for a chair. I'll quickly go pour water for body.
Please, can you tell me where we are going?
I don't need to tell you, it's a surprise, okay? This girl said to. I hope say she not dey pretend. Anyway, now where we dey go, I go for know how she take day. Na bitch I carry her come on. I hear the wahala for start. Wait I call big men to come. I call tell her say make she choose wetin she want take. This girl can go the point and CVS soap. I call say you be Curtis. Now alcohol you want to drink on the first date.
It's because everywhere is cold now.
Okay, I beg, wanna give me coconut water?
Baby, can you tell me what happened in your last relationship?
Firstly, I'm not your baby. We never did date. Secondly, wetin happen for my last relationship not concern you.
I know.
Why are you so harsh on me? You are not romantic. I don't think I can date you.
You not go feel understand. My last relationship I too go love.
So you want to use that and punish me, Abby? Anyway, come and do TikTok video with me.
She never believed I ignored other girls for her till she became one of them.
Kelvin, it's late. I want to book my ride now.
Alpha, relax, so day with me. Tomorrow morning you go house.
Okay, if you say so.
We can't come my house, so we can't enter inside room.
I beg.
Doggy.
I don't know if you hit me with doggy.
Baby now. Such is life online. Let's go.
Go where now?
Can't you hear the noise? They're already demolishing the house. Let's go. Jesus. Let's go.
Wait, but there's a lot of important things in this house.
Just don't worry about that one. We are going to get it later. Life is more important. Let us go, baby. Let's go. Let us go.
You're locked on now.
Ice manga for Jesus.
You know, so their wife is
Don't worry. You go suffer for this one where you enter, so.
I don't dare my fans.
Alright, everybody should talk.
Yes, so you're welcome to the house of a witch. Wow. Yeah, this is the house of a witch. And as you can see, the place is so bad, it's looking tattered. Witches are always broke. So that's my auntie over there, she's the witch.
Oh. Mercy!
Yeah.
Auntie,
no reason, they came for excursion. They wanted to see the house of a witch, so I can't call your house. No, this is the characteristics of a witch. They're always bringing out something to scare people. Yes. And it's always red or black. That's the color that works.
Sometimes
yes. Say hello to the witch.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can I take selfie with her?
So you can take selfie.
Jesus!
Halloween. Let's do TikTok.
Oh yeah, auntie. Say cheese.
Waiting be this.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Poverty don't control me now. Of na keep quiet. When I go make money and person tell me no allow money control you, to go who bear me witness, I will focus on your forehead.
Can see you say go man.
Now my bank now they run they go so.
Poverty they control me now. Nobody
your story will be. I will not
when
go
you go to
transfer.
start they control me now. When I go start the
like 352,000 man.
Jesus!
Why not TT?
Everybody they run your basket because watching money come out. I don't arise, brothers are surprised. Jesus.
Oh, but why you do me this kind now?
You see that boy? You see that boy? You must spend your salary they play with. That boy must enter this house. Yes.
I go warn again, man. I go enter your generation.
Where you go? You know if you enter this house.
You get mad? And my money they talk that kind before.
We do end of the year party. The money we contribute, you got to share and give everybody. Reach my own turn, you know the pick up. Either you got head day ground today or your head day ground.
You know go better for you and that man.
But the second time, this guy is very anyhow person. Man, you don't credit me. Wow. Everything with the pull out. They take risk. You know good.
I'm not in a good mood. This guy has just come here to take risk.
Surprise you. Now my birthday I've been at my remembrance. The one yourself.
Baby surprise.
Precious, you know they cheat.
Baby cheat on
you. And Jane, you know they cheat.
Baby no.
I said put that this house.
Baby no.
Put that this house. Hey. Precious, you know surprise me. Surprise.
Voila. You have a girlfriend. Wow. That's what they do. That's what they do. We don't get girlfriend. We don't know now. Now hear me and you will get problem. If you carry my money.
Cab? What do you mean cab for?
When I'm going out with my girl.
You told me you were going out before now.
I'm going out with my friend.
By 2 a.m. This girl, you just told Jessica, every time you always come here by...
Chill.
I said you chill out. Girl, it's what you're wearing. Hey, Jesus, it's what you're wearing outside, outdoor. And you're going. Don't come back to this house.
That is when I'm going
How
out.
you doing, girl? How are you doing? What's your plate?
Yes.
This man gets some dinner outside now.
Okay,
Let us cook tonight. Go and change now. You go like this. You want to dress like my schoolmate?
Babe, I look nice now. Nothing's wrong. Go and win.
The right guys already calling me. No, you have to change.
Let's go. Babe, the brother is calling you. There's no need for us to be late. Let's go.
Why do you want to go like this?
I look good now. Don't I look good?
When you're going to club with your friend, this is what you used to wear. You used to wear show me your ranch. Now I cannot wear show me your ranch with your ranch.
Dress sexy. But when she's going out with her friend, with her man, she can't dress like
Your mom's calling you.
like one old woman.
Babe. Your mom's calling you.
Oh. Hello, Mama.
Hello, Papi. You didn't forget the tools, right?
Oh, yeah, I got them.
Alright, hurry up. I'm waiting for you.
Alright, see you soon.
Bye, Papi.
Love you.
Hey!
I wanted to talk to her.
Oh. You would have said earlier now. Don't worry. When I come back next time, you talk to her, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Take care, huh?
Hi. No.
Thank you, ma.
5,000.
Salome.
What's it be this one?
Ma, it's $100.
No, we not they collect them for here. My money na 5,000 naira.
Oh, no, I don't have naira. I
$100.
just came to Nigeria for 30 December and
My big
I
money
spent all the
give
naira.
you.
I have just dollars. But this is $100. It's way more than 5,000.
150.
So I'm just gifting you so you can have it.
No, I don't want. My money is 5,000 naira. Please give me. I beg, no carry me do joke. I beg.
What
happen now? See me see wahala o. He come buy wine, 5,000 naira. He come carry wetin I don't understand they give me.
Women.
Ma, I'm literally giving her $100 note.
I don't want, please give me my wine. Give me my wine, I beg. I know they do this kind of thing.
Don't worry, I'll tell my friend in the UK to send you 5,000 naira using the Lemfi app. Say, madam, this is your account number, right?
Go and ask your grandfather.
See, I want the 5,000 and make it enter direct to my Nigerian account.
Don't worry, madam. Lemfi is an international money transfer app that lets you send money from US, Canada, the UK directly straight to your Nigerian bank account with zero transfer fee.
From abroad?
Oh yes. You can also send to Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Cote d'Ivoire, Cameroon, and some other African countries.
What's my brother abroad? This boy don't do UK for over how many years now? He said they don't fit send money from abroad to Nigeria. Mama, they don't fit my mama Amazing Grace.
Madam, is not true. If he doesn't know how to use Lemfi, let him download it from Android or Apple Store. Yes, and he can use my promo code ALOMA. He will get instant £5 cash back if he uses my promo code ALOMA for transactions of £50 and above. Very fast and reliable.
Okay.
Okay, he said he has sent the money. Madam, check.
Wait, oh, you don't enter, oh, not true. You don't see the money.
It's okay.
Hey, and that Chinedu for UK, he go dey lie. He tell me say we don't fit send money from abroad. No wonder I say the numbers Chinedu stingy. Very, very stingy. Abroad people they stingy now. They very, very stingy. You fit still give me the $100. Make I use a hang for my fridge. You know say we dey use a hang for fridge. All this money but you don't understand. Make I use a hang for my fridge.
You want to hang original $100 notes on your fridge, madam? God, illiteracy is truly a disease.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Mommy, they call illiterate.
Chai.
You dey call mama illiterate. I go show you wetin be illiterate place.
Madam.
You better come out.
Oh! You for wait now. You for wait. Make I use this bottle to tear your face. Born by mistake, idiot. Wait. Now your mama na be illiterate. If I use this bottle to correct your face, if you reach airport, they no go recognize you. Mama is English boy. Now you don't go abroad. I do Akona for over 33 years. I dey tear people face for club. They know me. Ask of me, you go know. Go Sanusi Fafunwa 33 years ago. Now we start am. Stupid boy. You know be small born again when person giving life to Christ. Wait to make this one they run. No teaching I come by you. Now you are the follow fight. Just imagine these children. Because you don't handle small dollars. That money is even fake.
God have mercy upon us.
This is my in-law. This young man say he saw a beautiful flower. Not even in my compound, inside my house.
Our in-laws, you are quite welcome. Please, can you introduce yourself to me?
Alright, I greet to my elder. Actually, I'm here with my friend. My name is in quote, Hebrews. I am from Orobo. And I am here to harvest a crop that you have been watching for years.
I think I will go with that a boost because the
I can't go with that. That's too hard. You say you are from Orobo. Wow, Orobo people are nice people. I work with Orobo people now. During 2004, we do produce all this glass cup, mug cup. You are welcome, eh?
You are welcome, my son.
Without wasting more time, what do you have in your hands now?
Oh, I brought this for you.
Ah! You are welcome.
Our in-law, as in Oka, you
are most welcome. Yes. See, you are going to take care of my daughter. I spent so much money here. Training her in school was not easy for me. Yes. Oh, my late wife.
It's okay, Nanya. It's okay.
Oh, Gala, but the love is still there. Oh. Let's go over to the marriage rites. Okay, you have to bring one white cow.
Spotless.
Yes, because my daughter is a virgin. Now you be the only man you don't take close to. You understand?
Very clean.
Then you bring 5 tubers of yam.
Jesus.
Note, you are not buying my daughter. This is just the bride price. This is a omenala. After omenala, before we go omenelu. You understand? This is just the knocking of door. Yes.
My elders, I've heard what you said. Okay, but my friend has something to say. I don't know if it's permitted.
It's accepted now. Family that eat together, pray together. We are together now. We wine and dine and eat together.
Why are we here?
Go on.
My elders, don't you think this marriage is
too much for this your so-called daughter.
If you are thinking so, you are thinking wrong. This is the pathway of excellence now.
Can't you see how juicy and yummy she's looking?
I don't even understand. This my daughter is the head of Scripture Union, Unica. You understand? During COVID-19, she was in a mountain praying. Other people were wearing nose mask. She was praying. After COVID-19, she came down with fire and brimstone. Jesus. This is my daughter.
You should say the girl, no be OS.
That's one more thing. Am I permitted to play a video? I would like to play a video I saw on social
media. You can go ahead now.
We have television here.
We have families now.
You don't know where you are going.
Yeah, content creators.
My Olosho. My who come pay?
Hi guys, this is Mike on the street, and I'm live here with
Nancy, aka Nancy Cute.
That's cute. I have just 2 questions for Nancy. Nancy, if you're being given 10 million to sell somebody in your family, who will you say?
Mom.
I will say my papa.
Hey! Lord. Nancy, you say me. You say your father.
Why?
I'm a useless man.
Hey!
Jesus. Don't mean it.
You don't say my papa get body though.
Hey! I get body odor. Me, your father get body odor. Go ahead and play. Go ahead and play. You.
Imelempo. Alwe man. Hell, my head doesn't never finish. Plenty there for TikTok. When you carry that TikTok first. Hell.
Okay, Nancy. What's the biggest lie you've told your ex?
So it's like a short story, yeah. So my ex saw me with my sugar daddy. So I told him he's my uncle, and at the same time I told that my sugar daddy and my ex is my cousin.
Wow, guys.
Hey, sugar daddy. Jesus. So you for sugar daddy. Hell, you have lost your prime. You have lost your prime, oh. Hell. So the for man of 80 years, 50 years.
Our age mates. Hell. Another one. Oh, Eda, calm down now. Why you shout? This one I lost the money. Whenever I go afternoon, come to talk more of evening itself. Plenty to make a plan.
Okay,
Nancy. Show us another one. Now.
What's your body count?
See now, who press money? Now they part of my body count. You know press money, you know count.
Hey! They don't want my daughter leg. They don't want my daughter leg. They don't spread her like bad news. Hey!
So don't want it.
Hey!
Again, we're going to heart attack.
You! You want to bring shop to this family, Abi? No worry.
Don't bring up already now.
Go ahead, play. Help!
May play another.
So, Nancy, how many classes of food do we have?
Food plenty now, they fit count.
Like, mention them.
They get eba, they get egusi, which is my favorite eba egusi. They get they get potato, yam.
Wow.
Let me this.
Baby, no what you think.
Come on, Daddy.
Nancy, if you're being given 10 million to cheat on your husband when your husband doesn't have money, what will you do?
Now we live that way, real. I don't feel there with more we no get money. I will leave bank. Even if na 100K they offer me like this, I will don't jack back. Where need to go? You know see me. Body like me. Do you even see what I'm wearing?
Come on, Daddy.
Baby, it's not what you think. It's not what you think.
But tell me this. Hey! I should be like this now. I'm not married again. I want to take my leave. Please. My law, please. Please, even if you bring one blind goat, with one rapid tuber of yam, come and carry the bag of the thing, please now.
Who you want to live her with?
I beg. This your daughter. Now second-hand material. If I marry my first wife and I take her upon myself to marry second wife, I'll come for your daughter. You know that? You have brought me to the shame of limelight. Oh!
Yes, well,
This world can be something else.
Can come back to do what?
God have mercy upon us.
Can come back to haunt you in coming years, but a lot of girls don't understand that thing. Now come and I would think say they do say on be Gen Z body. But all these things are stuff that they tell you the internet never forgets, you understand? So be mindful of what you say online. Be mindful of what you say online, you understand? So thanks guys for watching this video to the very end. I really appreciate, you understand? What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it in the comment section, and please make sure to check out my other videos. Now, as usual, I have fantastic and fantabulous videos on my channel, so check them out guys. Don't forget to drop nice comments, share this video, and subscribe. So see you in my next video guys. Peace out.